Wait, dash term called data. What is data system? You are going to place the data such that you are going to use for easy retrieval, deletion, and some sort of operation. And data set one of the concepts is queue. Normally, you are going to have a INS data. You are going to standing in the queue. What does it do? Those who come first will get a ticket number 1 first. Those who come last will get a last ticket. In this queue, what is the operation done? First in first out and last in last out. Yaar first ulla poranga first operation nadapom, last operation last operation nadapom. Normally, when you are going to, for example, when dash term called list, for example, you are going to remove of the data as anybody says pop, and instead of data we will be seeing this term called push. That's another term called dequeued. Dequeued means you are going to remove of data. You are going to say. You are going to say dequeued as a remove of data. Now, and moon operation pair na. First is your pop, next your push, next your dequeued, and then nQueue. nQueue means you are going to add the data in the queue. Add the data in the queue. In C program, you use the term called array, whereas in Python program, you use the term called list. We will be using the term called list. We will be using the term called list. Initially, what does the queue has? Initially, what does the queue has? It has empty list. It is in square bracket, but it is an empty list. Next, what are we going to do? We are going to add the data. Add a function pair. Empty is what is it? Append. Append means what happens? We are going to use dash term called append, dash term called write, and dash term called remove. Append means, for example, you are going to have a certain number of the values. Append is the number you are going to add the data in the place of 11. Write means what happens? You are going to add the data first element. Edit putting the value then you are going to say the term called write. Plus we are going to add from the last question means it will be termed called append. First, what you are going to use? And you will be using the predefined function called append. You are going to add 3 values system A, B, and C. Now A, B, C and array. You are going to insert the values in case you can add your register number or some data. Now we are going to print the value of Q electronic circuit. You have 3 values. A, B, and C. Next, in case you want to remove the data, means what the function you want to use? Dequeued. Next, that is process called dequeued. What is the predefined function use? Pop. We will be using the term called pop. Okay, first element equal to queue.pop. What does this element will be removed? The first element will be removed. So it will be a dequeued. What is the element? Element is A. Plus we will be using the called peak. Peak means the element which has been removed from the list. That is called peak. So peak is the your print element. So we will be printing the value. What is the print element? Element Q of 0. So print element. Print element. First A value question. Print element is so it prints the Q of 0 being the value, it changes from the index value 1 to index value 0. So it becomes the print element. So now Q of 0 pop panna வெளிய போச்சு என்ன எலிமெண்ட் வெளிய போச்சு A. அப்ப P என்னவா இருக்கும்? The P is this where it points the print element. Print element என்ன? A வெளிய போச்சு என்ன print element இருக்கும்? B. So it prints the value P equal print element B. So we are going to print the list. What is the print list? A வெளிய போச்சு என்ன இருக்கும்? B and C. Okay va? Next, we are going to check whether the given queue is empty or not. But we are going to see not boolean of queue. Not boolean queue says whether it is empty or not. If the queue is empty, no, so it prints the value false. Next kilo. Next we are going to say size of the queue. The predefined values element you are going to use the term called length. Length says the length of the queue. Am I clear? I repeat. We'll be using in this function in this program. We'll be using predefined function. The first predefined function is dequeued process. It's bool, next is not bool, next is your length. Appo just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In 12 lines la unoda queue process ellame mudinju. In case you are going to use C or C++ or Java, I say minimum of more than 15 lines you need to use. This is what the case study of Python using Python for queue processing. Am I clear? Okay.